Let's do a vertical mattress suture step by step. Start with a deep bite away from the wound edge. Now cross over and take a matching deep bite. Stay in the same plane. Come back closer to the edge for a shallow bite and match that shallow bite on the opposite side. Tie your knot just enough to evert the edges. Be careful here not to strangulate the tissue. This suture is useful in high tension wounds where edge eversion is needed and when wound edges are inverting. Be very careful with tension. This stitch can easily strangulate tissue.